Hello, wellness warriors, and welcome to day 2 of your challenge. Today, we're talking about nourishment for your body. We have to start fueling all those movement sessions we're doing. And what better way than starting by talking about it more today? And basically, know that the food you put in your body is used as fuel. It's always helping you along your way and giving you that energy you need and that little boost throughout the day. I'm not going to necessarily give you a meal plan at all or tell you have to follow certain dietary requirements. I am going to give you some tips and tricks today, along with a couple recipes that I personally love to implement during this autumn season. They're basically easy meals that you can plan in bulk and satisfy your whole family with. Dash is here again. So included with those recipes, I'm going to talk to you about some supplements I personally love to utilize during this type of season. One of them that's huge with me would be a magnesium supplement. This Calm one is a great example. It's a powdered form that you would implement in some hot water, almost like a tea. Our bodies, Dash loves it too, our bodies tend to get depleted in this the more and more we move or up the intensity. Magnesium is used in over 300 functions in your body, so it's highly supportive to your immune system and all of its functions. And magnesium also helps you sleep better. It helps relax your muscles, things of that nature. So we're having a better recovery. Magnesium is key if you don't want to do it in a supplement form that way. I also recommend taking something like an Epsom salt bath to assist with that. I'm big on doing those at least once a month to kind of clear all the junk out, put all the good things back in. So whichever way you want to utilize that would be my recommendation. Do always first talk to your doctor with dosage and make sure that you're getting the correct amount for you. Another thing as we kind of enter cold and flu season, I find helpful is elderberry syrup. And this can be found at better health stores. Basically, taking about a tablespoon of these a couple times a week really boosts my immune system and helps prevent kind of those scratchy throats or those coughs, congestion, things of that nature. So if you do tend to get under the weather or have sinus issues, that would be another go-to. And then one more thing I love, I used to be a big hot chocolate fan. And over the years, I've turned into a cacao lady. And I really love this cacao. It also has reishi mushrooms in it. Again, this is a powdered form you can find at a better health food store. And basically, I just heat this up with some hot water and make it almost like a tea. And then I add a little bit of my almond milk or whatever dairy, non-dairy beverage you want to mix in there to make it a little creamier, you can. And I enjoy this in the evenings. And believe it or not, this also has magnesium in it too, if you're in need of finding some, which will help you again sleep, relax, and calm down from your hectic, stressful day as the seasons quickly approach. So again, do talk to your doctors before you add any of these supplemental forms into your diet. But those are good ones to check out and not always well known that I personally have found make a huge difference in my wellness routine as the weather gets colder outside. If you have questions regarding them, just let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you